Hello and welcome guys. Welcome to the third video of HTML5 and CSS3 quick series. In this video we are going to talk a little bit about HTML semantic and non-semantic elements. Here is a reference for you, w3schools.com and the HTML semantic elements section. So as you can see, HTML5 semantic elements describes its meaning to both the browser and the developer. So that's very clear. We have some tags and elements in HTML5 which are very clear. For example, if we want to add a form in our website, we can just use the semantic form tag, or want a table, so we can use the table, or an article, we can use the article tag, or if we want to create a menu like the nav bar or menu, we can use the nav tag, or if you want to create a sidebar, we can use the aside. So these semantic tags tell the browser, tell the other coders, and tell the search engine bots that this section belongs to this type of data. When the search engine bots see the aside, so it can consider that it is a sidebar, we can skip, or we should not skip, or if it reaches actually to the nav, so it can understand that this is the navigation bar, I can skip this and go to the contents. So semantic HTML elements are very good to use, and it will boost up your website's search engine optimization, and your site can easily actually appear in Google searches or Bing searches or other search engines. And there are some non-semantic elements as well, like div and span. I myself mostly use div instead of article, instead of nav section. But I recommend you and suggest you, because of your website SEO, to use the semantic HTML elements, not the non-semantic. And the div is block tag, which takes the 100% of its parent, and the span is a fit to content tag, which takes the width as its contents. Let's try some semantic and non-semantic tags in our code editor. Let's see, let me first remove this all. Let's take a scenario, and another thing that we can use these tags to group our elements. So first let's try the div. If I put a div and put an h1 here, the title of the article, and some paragraph, okay, so it clearly shows that these three elements or tags are grouped with each other. So we can use these tags to group the div tag, and beside this we can just use the article, which is a semantic HTML5 element or tag, and it clearly says to us, to coders, to the text editor, these are grouped with each other, and they are related to one article. And it can tell the Google or other search engines boards as well that this is an article, and you can find your desired search keyword inside this one. Or another semantic HTML element is section. Like we can make different sections in our website, and section, for example, this is the section head, title, and we can give some descriptions and use other elements inside. So it's clear to us and to browser that you can find the references here. Let's save our code and refresh it on the browser. Here we go. This is the title, which is inside the title tag, and this is the section, which is inside the section. We can use hundreds of them inside our one document. That's it for this video. Thank you very much.